Hello, welcome to Soe'S Reviews. My name is Sue and today I will be reviewing my vacuum cleaner.
Perfect.
Dust. It's a problem for everyone, except people on ships. Does dust exist on the ocean? Thank goodness we have the vacuum cleaner to fix this for us. My vacuum cleaner is blue. I just got it 10 years ago and it has everything a normal vacuum cleaner has. There's the on button right here. You can switch it all the way to the max. With it. You can use it to make stuff go away. Stuff like dust. Unfortunately not ceramic pots or people. Let's compare it to dustpan and brush. With the dustpan and brush, you have to get down on your knees like a little bitch. You're almost at the same level as the dust. With the vacuum cleaner, you can look down on the dust while you clean it. I'm better than you, dust. In conclusion, I love my vacuum cleaner because it makes me feel superior to dust.
I'm leaving you for someone else. Your touch has changed.
What? What are you talking about?
You never hold me anymore.
Well, leave then. Go ahead, leave. I don't care. Leave. I'm not worried. I still have my side piece vacuum. Yeah. See that? See that? Much younger and newer. Oh, look, cordless. Oh, no strings attached. Huh? I'm giving this vacuum 5 out of 5 vacuums. This one, I was gonna give you 4. Okay? This one. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Young. Like and subscribe. Bye.